In today's ever-evolving business environment, innovative solutions that...
Okay, look. Manufacturers are tired of the same old pitch. Some company somewhere promising to deliver the future showing images of... What even is that? Is it real? At Deloitte, our customers don't have time for that. They face supply chain issues. They need to reduce costs, fill talent gaps, upskill the workforce, improve quality and uptime. Real-world problems, not whatever this is. We're helping people spearhead smart manufacturing transformations to improve business outcomes, turning those what-ifs into what's possible. Possible, like optimizing factory processes enabled by industrial IoT, machine learning, and AI, and attracting, developing, and retaining world-class talent. Possible, like digitizing legacy assets to bring existing and new data together for real-time visibility. Possible, like predicting impending failures before they happen, without a crystal ball, to keep things running smoothly. Watch out for that one. These capabilities are made possible when the right people and technology work together to deliver the lowest cost, highest quality products. We bring these solutions to life in our global smart factories, like here at the Smart Factory by Deloitte at Wichita, where you get hands-on experience testing use cases that could solve all your problems. Well, not all your problems, but your business problems. We're tackling those right here with a rich ecosystem of partners who work with us, like literally right over there.
And there.
And we work alongside you, scaling solutions and services across your value network, demonstrated by our connected factories around the world, from Canada to Germany to Japan. Deloitte's Smart Manufacturing team isn't selling you empty promises of the future. We're helping you build it today, so you can keep innovating tomorrow. Told ya.